Struggling with mess? Meet the KCLASO Cordless Vacuum, your cleaning superhero. Are you tired of battling pet hair, crumbs, and dust bunnies with a vacuum that just doesn't cut it? Does cleaning feel like a never-ending chore? Enter the KCLASO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a sleek, powerful solution designed to make cleaning effortless. With 45 kilopascal suction, a self-standing design, and an LED touchscreen, it promises to tackle every mess with ease. But does it really deliver? Let's embark on a quest to find the ultimate cleaning tool and see if KCLASO can save the day. The journey to find the perfect vacuum is fraught with disappointment. Many vacuums promise power but fail to perform, leaving you frustrated. KCLASO's cordless vacuum, however, stands out with its 550-watt motor and 5-layer HEPA filtration system, capturing 99.99% of dust and allergens. The LED touchscreen offers real-time updates on battery life and suction power, making cleaning smarter. But does it live up to its promises? Let's put it to the test and see if it can handle the chaos of everyday life. KCLASO's cordless vacuum is a game-changer. Its V-shaped roller brush effortlessly handles pet hair, while the 180-degree swivel head and LED lights make cleaning under furniture and in dark corners a breeze. The modular design allows for quick transitions between stick and handheld modes, and the self-standing feature lets you take a break whenever needed. With a 2,500 mAh battery offering up to 45 minutes of runtime, this vacuum ensures you can clean your entire home without interruption. It's not just a vacuum, it's a cleaning revolution. Customers rave about the KCLASO vacuum, praising its powerful suction, lightweight design, and user-friendly features. The self-standing design and easy-to-empty dust cup make cleaning a breeze, while the quiet operation ensures a peaceful home environment. Compared to other vacuums, KCLASO stands out for its versatility, durability, and affordability. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or deep cleaning carpets, this vacuum delivers. It's not just a product, it's a solution for anyone tired of cleaning chaos. Why settle for ordinary vacuums when you can have extraordinary? The KCLASO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is your ticket to a cleaner, healthier home. With its powerful suction, intelligent design, and pet-friendly features, it's a must-have for every household. Don't let messes take over. Grab your KCLASO vacuum today and transform cleaning from a chore into a triumph.